Welcome to MyAgFood. Installing MyAgFood on your iPhone gives you quick access to your applications, inspections, and apartment services directly from your home screen. Open Safari and go to MyAgFood.ie. When the MyAgFood website opens, tap the three dots at the bottom of the screen. A list of options will appear. Tap Share. A menu will appear. Tap View More to see additional options. Continue scrolling until the Add to Home screen appears. Then select this option. Tap Add in the top right corner. That's it. MyAgFood is now installed on your iPhone and will appear on your home screen like any other app. The next time you need to access MyAgFood, simply tap the MyAgFood icon.